Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be talking about a college called Noida Institute of Engineering Technology. In short form, it is called NIET. It is situated in Knowledge Park, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. This college is approved by AICTE and affiliated to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, which in short called AKTU. Formerly it was known as UPTU Lucknow. The college code for NIET is 133. NIET was established in 2001 and it is one of the leading engineering college in Greater Noida and one of the leading engineering college in North India in specific. Now to mention a few, that couple of courses has been accredited by NBA, and these are IT, BTech IT and BTech in Biotech, BTech in ECE, BTech Mechanical Engineer, BTech CAC and B Pharma. These are the courses has been approved by NBA, National Board of Accreditation. If I talk about the accreditations of NAAC, it is the number one in UP. If I compare with Jaipuria Institute and KIET, IMS, GLA and JP Institute, then you would find the institutional CGPA is 3.23 and it's become the number one NAAC A category college in UP. Now as far as the NIRF ranking is concerned, in 2018 it was 99 across India and the rank band was 76 to 100. But in 2020 they have got 49th rank for B Pharma and 201 to 250 overall ranking in NIRF all India basis. Now talking about the courses and the eligibility, for BTech they have, for BTech Computer Science they have 240 seats, IT 120 seats and ECE 240 seats, Electronic Engineering 120 seats, Mechanical Engineering 240 seats, Civil 120 seats, Chemical 60 and Biotech Engineering is 60. So to take admissions in BTech, the student has to have 45% in 12th with PCM, Physics, Chemistry and Mathematics, and for Biology they need to have Biology PCB. If I talk about B Pharma they have 100 seats and D Pharma they have 60 seats. For B Pharma, student has to have 45% in 12th along with PCB and PCM, and for D Pharma also the student need to pass 12th exams with PCM or PCB. Talking about management program, MBA they have 180 seats, for PGDM they have 180 seats. For MBA and PGDM the student need to have 50% in graduation from any stream for that matter, but the college has to be UGC approved or AICTE approved. For PGDM it is run by Sunstone University and the concept is called pay after placement. MTech program as well, for MTech they have number of seats. You can just pause this video and you could see that computer science and mechanical they have 24 seats each, and other programs seats are mentioned out here. So to get an admissions in MTech, student has to have BTech or B degree in the relevant disciplines with 50% aggregate in their graduation. Important point is that admission process. To take admissions in NIET you have two process. First one is that you need to appear for UPSC exams and you need to cross the eligibility that I just told you, and after UPSC exams the rank would be declared and there will be an online counseling process and you need to choose NIET college based on your rank and your marks that you would be getting the NIET college if let's say your rank is as per the requirement of NIET. And PG program as well, the same process that you need to follow for all the graduates and undergraduate, postgraduate and undergraduate program. Now the second process for admissions in NIET is direct admissions. Direct admissions means admissions in management quota. NIET has 15% seats reserved for management quota students. So student who want to take admissions in management quota, you can call in this number and we will help you to get a seats in management quota. If your rank is not great or the percentage is not great, then you need to go through backdoor entry and you will get a seat in NIET. So call in this number for further details. As far as the fees is concerned, for BTech the fees is 1,38,500 for the first year, and from second year onwards it is 1,05,200. For BTech lateral is first year 97,600 and next year is 72,100. For BTech and MTech integrated it is 1,48,400 for first year and 1,15,100 for the second years. For MTech the fees is 94,600 for the first year. For MBA, the fees is 1,16,000 for the first year. For B Pharma, 1,30,900. For D Pharma, 89,000. For M Pharma, 90,000. For MCA, it is 1,11,000. So these are the fee structure of the course. Now let's talk about the hostel. So boys hostel start from 70,900 to 94,600 for non-AC. If student want to opt for AC, then for 3-seater 1,09,900 and for 2-seater 1,90,800. So you can pause this video, you could see the fees of the boys hostels. Now fee for the girls hostel is having 3-seater attached bathroom and without attached bathroom, AC and non-AC both. So the fees you could see that for 3-seater 78,100, for attached bathroom then you will have 88,700. For AC it is 1,11,300 including mess charges of course. And students who are residing in Delhi NCR, they can opt for transportations. The transportation cost is as follows. From Mohannagar, Anand Vihar, Ghaziabad, East Delhi, it is 25,000. From Noida and Secunderabad, it is 23,000. And Bulandshahr and Badalpur, it is 26,000. The bus cost, transportation cost. Part is the placements. The placements for 2018-19, it was high salary has been 11 lakh per annum. Average has been 3.8 lakh per annum, and student place is 1,772. For 2019-20, the student has been placed around more than 2,100 student has been placed. With highest package is 25 lakh per annum and average package is 4.12 lakh. So 202 student placed above 6.85 lakh per annum package. In 2020, 212 student has been placed with more than 6.85 lakh per annum package. Just have a look of the top recruiters starting from TCS, Wipro, Kotak, Nestle, HCL, Reliance, Polters, Naukri.com, Jeevansathi.com, Tech Mahindra and so on and so forth. You can pause this video, you could see there are a number of Indian Army, Indian Navy is also recruiting from this. Infrastructure is pretty good. They have audio video integrated classrooms. They have central library with the occupies 14,000 square feet and area and provides students with access to books and periodicals. The library has been an automatic management system, so it makes it possible to borrow books at any time that student would like to. Transportations from Delhi NCR is available, so the bus facility is available from New Delhi and all parts of Noida, Greater Noida and Ghaziabad. Gymnasium and sports facility of course is available in the campus. Hostel for boys and girls, separate hostels is available, and the rooms are available on single and double and multi-sharing basis. So book your seat as soon as possible because only 15% seats is reserved for management quota, and it gets filled very easily because it is one of the better college in Delhi NCR and in North India, and students from UP and Bihar and Delhi NCR prefer this college because they have all facility available and you could take admissions in this college. So it is all for the day. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself and your family, and I'll see you in our next video. Please do share and subscribe to our channel for other information related to this college and other colleges, and for students who want to take admissions in MBA and BTech, it is a must for them to subscribe. We will give all possible informations at your disposal. Thank you so much. Namaskar.